Hello there, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use the AI pattern drafter that Clo3D has included. I'm Lucia. If you want to see more of my work, you can follow me on Instagram as Lucia Tech and subscribe to this channel if you want to continue learning about technology applied to fashion. So I have here my project in Clo3D. It is an empty project, nothing uploaded more than the avatar. And I'm going to go to main menu to the pattern drafter. Okay, and it's going to show me this chart with measurements, which are technical specifications of the garment. Okay, they are not anthropometric measurements. At the moment, it's only available to do t-shirts, only t-shirts. Yeah, it says more coming soon, which means in any moment we're going to have more options. It's just about paying attention to it. And inside t-shirt, I have 3 options to start. Set-in, which means a regular t-shirt without any transformation. Raglan and drop shoulder. And this tool works if I upload the measurements taken from a sample, from a prototype, if I have one at home, or a chart with technical specification. Even I can upload it from here. Yeah, when it says where it says open, I can upload a CSV file. Yeah, it has to, if I have my measurements in an Excel file, I have to save that one as CSV, and that file I can upload from here, from the open button, right? And it's going to read all the measurements. So, but if you like to work everything within Clo3D, we can upload one by one the measurements taken from the sample, all right? For example, across shoulder. Okay, I'm going to touch where the number is, and you can see this dots line, yes, shoulder to shoulder, showing me which one is the measurement that is going to change with this number. So you don't really need a pattern making knowledge, okay? You can get the same t-shirt you have at home or a base to make transformation, to scale, to do the lay plan, whatever you need for. So for example, we're going to change this one, let's say 53 across front. Yeah, here you can see the dots line where I'm going to leave it like that. And let's go down sleeve length, for example. Instead of 2680, I want a shorter one. Let's say 20, why not? Okay, once I'm happy with all the measurements I changed, I can touch create. It creates the pattern actually. Okay, so now I'm going to close the pattern drafter, and you can see that it also saw every line that it has to be sewn, and it places the patterns on the avatar. So the only thing that I have to do now is simulate. You may need to place a little bit better, maybe rotate a little bit this one and this one. Okay, let's see now. Perfect. Okay, it has some details to improve this pattern. I can clearly see here this crease, but it's just an experiment. You can see how this tool allows you to create a t-shirt from scratch, from nothing, without pattern making knowledge, and simulate it into 3D so that you already have your digital prototype. But at this point, I like also to use the checking tools that Clo3D offer to control, have the guarantee that I'm sending a good quality pattern. So the main one I use is this one, check sewing length. If I touch it, it's going to show me in red the sewing lines that has to be controlled and edited a little bit. This line in red means that I have a length difference between sides of more than ½ centimeter. So this is what artificial intelligence has to provide us at the moment, September of 2025. Of course, it's going to improve with time. We have to keep an eye on it. It has to be complemented with our knowledge of Clo3D and pattern making. I hope you like it. I hope you found it useful. Leave a comment if you want, and subscribe to the channel to continue learning.